Alright, so cooking with Ray. I'm almost done, but like halfway through I was like, oh shit, I should have made a video, and I'm with Mariella and she's in the other room, but we're making food, and yeah. So, we have our sauce right here, we have our spaghetti right here, and right now I'm stirring the spaghetti. Looks delish. Looks delish. Mariella, you have to throw the spaghetti! Wardrobe change. Can you burn spaghetti? Is that possible? She was the one who wanted to make the video, and she's not even here. Three more minutes on our garlic bread. Camera right over here so we can see. If I put on the light, right? Just oven light. You can see the garlic bread in there. Cooking away, man. Yeah. Mariella, you have to help me. You have to tell them because the video's on and no one's saying anything. Okay, so now we will have Mariella throw spaghetti on the wall to make sure it's ready. So you just throw it on the glass, okay? Just do that.
You throw it on. No.
Where do you throw it?
Grab a piece.
Okay, grab that piece. Girl. Grab that piece.
It's ready.
Is it sticking? I'm gonna close some of that.
Spaghetti on the wall.
Alright, let's do this. Ooh, look at that butt. Sorry. We're done. And then you gotta pour it, right?
Yeah.
Can I just put it like that?
Yeah.
Man.
No, stop. Stop. Okay, no, seriously, like.
They can only see me!
Good.
It made me look bad.
Here.
One more minute, and this needs to be on.
Okay, you need to.
I need to
Dump the pot.
This
the
needs
water.
to be on low heat, it said, and then you need to stir with the spoon many times. Oh, it's gonna be hot. I know it's gonna be hot. So I'm gonna get out my mittens.
It's not hot.
It's not hot?
No.
If it's hot, I will kill you. It smells like burned. My brother told me to put it's gonna be so hot.
Stop whining.
Those are some ugly noises.
Looks like ramen.
Ramen.
Alright, it's ready.
Right. Oh shit, I almost.
Okay, it's
Wait,
ready.
Okay, tell just. I need to put this on something.
I don't do ovens. Like that's one thing I'm like really scared of.
Oh,
It's fine.
it's fine.
Pull it out.
I have a cramp, okay? Sometimes people get those.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Hey, no, I don't do that anymore.
Wait, does it happen?
Yeah.
Aw, lucky. This isn't like. There's something wrong with this. It's like.
It's hot. Sonny wants to come in now.
Yeah, because they're not giving me cookies.
Alright. Are you taller than me? Oh, you're wearing those pants heels. I was feeling so down on myself.
Where's the spray?
Spray. Move. Don't
Back, back. Beast back. Beast.
Do it.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
You do it all the time. You used to do it.
Used to.
Used to. Alright, Mariella, you have to explain what you're doing right now.
I am sauteing the sauce. Or just stirring, I don't know. You have a little thing.
Don't spill it on my computer.
I'm not. And then you have sauce. Yummy. And you just stir.
I can't find that thing that my voice. I can't find that thing that I put the I'm gonna say things so many times.
Oh wait, Ray.
What?
Stir for me.
Okay.
All in the wrist. You're an idiot.
What?
There's water in here.
That doesn't matter. Don't call me an idiot. That hurts my feelings. Call me a manly idiot.
No, that's a lie.
What?
What?
Girl, you don't put it back.
Yeah, you do.
No, you don't.
You're so. What kind of?
That's what my mommy does.
Wait, move back.
Girl, that's
back
gonna hurt. I don't like doing this anymore.
Just keep sauteing or whatever. Where's your salt
Stir.
and pepper?
Right here.
All right, give it to me.
No, don't put it on.
Why not?
Because.
Just fucking trust me on this.
Oh, she said the F word. Oh, I look so short and horrible in this, and you look so good because you're wearing those. No, that's too much. Girl, that's. Girl, show them how much you put on there.
This is not that much. If you can see, wait.
Don't put that shit on my face.
Can you see it?
They can see it.
They can see it?
Yeah.
That's not that much for like a whole pot.
Alright, I think this is. That is a lot. Don't do that much. My brother wants to put on them. He'll get mad.
Well, he doesn't have to know.
He does know, but there's a little black shit on there.
The white shit's gonna like cover it up.
What white shit? Oh, gross.
No.
No.
Bad,
I
right?
love you. Tell me you love me. Because I said I love you, and now it just looks like I'm a loser because you didn't say I love you back.
You're gonna burn it.
Why?
Because you're not stirring.
I kind of want to smell it.
And then it burns you.
I think it's burned. Oh, we're both stirring right now. I look so. You look so. Yeah, compared to. She's wearing like super heels right now, so don't believe it.
Alright. Your computer turned off.
Leave that in there. And we're still here. Love you.
Stop. Go away. Don't do that. Ew.
Show them your tattoo. Oh my god, you got a tattoo! I didn't know that.
I've had it for the long. Whoa.
No, did you show that to me? Did you show it to
Yes.
me before?
It's a dream catcher. Stop. They rinse it.
I don't like it.
It's just Ben.
You naked or something?
No,
Yeah,
no, it's
you were so difficult to cook for.
Yeah, no, I was like, no,
What?
he doesn't like you like that.
What do you mean?
Alright,
Like
keep on
what?
stirring. You almost burnt it, Mariella.
Like what? Like
It's
what?
off.
Oh.
What are you guys
Hey Ben,
talking
you're on
about?
camera. I'm just warning you right now.
What are you
You're gonna be
talking
on
about?
YouTube. I hope you know that.
What are you talking about?
We have been making. Okay, so she didn't put.
Eat now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to cut that though.
Okay,
And I couldn't find that thing. I couldn't find that thing that we put the pot on to put on the table.
It's right there, right?
Ooh, girl, look at that body. Oh. All right.
Cool.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching my cooking show again. I hope you learned something. I didn't.
Oh wait, we should put that in here. Good idea, right? Did you just watch this?
Yes, for that reason.
Okay.
All right.
Why didn't you dry it then?
I didn't think I needed to dry it.
You just hit the button where you stop it.
What was that?
I don't know.